Experience mo na ba yung gusto mo sanang mag-relax at magpalamig sa loob ng bahay mo? Pero instead of makaramdam ng relief, mas mainit pa sa loob kesa sa labas. Nagbabayad ka ng mahal na kuryente, laging naka-on ang AC mo, pero ramdam mo pa din ang init. You ask yourself, comfortable pa ba ako dito sa bahay ko? O kailangan ko nang lumabas at gumastos sa mall para magpalamig? If any of that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Hey architects and homeowners, stop designing homes that are not sustainable. I'm Pia, a licensed architect from the Philippines. In this video, gusto kong i-explain kung bakit nangyayari yung mga problema na yun. Hindi lang yung what to avoid but the science behind it. The reason why no matter what you do, super init pa din sa bahay mo. If you understand these principles, it's called passive house design. And it works dito sa Pilipinas. So ano nga ba ang passive house design? Simple lang. It's about sustainable home design. Sustainable home is a home designed to maximize our natural resources so that even walang kuryente, no problem. Hindi kailangan ng AC, hindi kailangan ng fan, ng ilaw para maging livable and comfortable ang bahay mo. Passive house design is the same idea, but it goes deeper into the why, into the set of principles that explains how the sun, the wind, and the materials either work for you or work against you. And here's the test I always use. Pag brownout ng 6 to 6 or 12 hours, comfortable pa ba ang bahay mo? O kailangan mo nang tumambay sa mall para magpalamig? Yun ang real test. Kung kaya ng bahay mo maging livable kahit na walang kuryente, that is a well-designed home. First principle is site orientation. But here I want to talk why orientation is very important. Not just do not face the bedroom to the west, but what actually happens inside your home kapag mali ang orientation ng bahay mo. Site orientation means saan nakaharap ang bahay mo in relation to the sun's path and wind direction. And it directly affects, number 1, energy performance, magastos sa kuryente. Number 2, comfort level ng titira. We all know that the sun moves from east to west. Sunrise in the east, sunset sa west. The afternoon sun, the one coming from the west, is extremely hot. Not the morning sun, but the heat in the afternoon sun. Nararamdaman nyo naman yan for sure. And in the Philippines, that afternoon sun is no joke.